Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. I'm back again today with another short video. This is going to focus on BlueBird Bio. And the reason I'm putting out this video right now is that BlueBird is just about hitting the top of our consolidation range. If when I show you the chart later on in this video, you'll see that. And the question is whether there's enough stimulus for BlueBird Bio to go to the next level of consolidation. So is there any good news around the corner? And how would things happen for BlueBird going forward? So that's what we are trying to determine. So let's get started. At the 2018 JP Morgan Healthcare Conference, then CEO Nick Leschly took stage to inform the audience that his company is going to put forward 3 experimental drugs for approval. And that catapulted BlueBird Bio into the big leagues in terms of putting a spotlight on BlueBird Bio. Since then, the company has been viewed as a pioneering genomics company. Andrew Obenshine is now the CEO of the company, and under his leadership, the company is having 2 of its leading gene therapies under discussion by FDA for approval. And starting today and tomorrow, which happens to be a Friday, the FDA has invited outside experts to review the data provided by BlueBird Bio from all the trials that they have done so far. And the team of outside experts are going to discuss the results and go back to FDA with recommendations on what they think is going to be the benefits of this therapy and the risks of this therapy and the balance of things. What does it look like, whether it's beneficial and it's worthy of approval or otherwise. So that kind of information is going to come out from the outside experts. So this is not the end of the decision-making process. The decision is not coming on Friday. All the information that has come to us through press reports and other statements here and there indicate that BlueBird's team is pretty confident about the data that they are presenting. They're very optimistic. And some experts say that whatever information FDA has published so far seems to show that FDA is cautiously optimistic about the beta cell therapy, which is the therapy that targets beta thalassemia. But they don't seem to be that optimistic about the CALD therapy, which is called Eli-cell. And it seems that we need to wait for the outside experts to weigh in and for FDA to make a formal announcement. And that's not going to happen immediately. That decision is going to be coming from FDA only after they review the outside experts' opinions and go through the opinions and then ask any queries they have of the outside group of experts to finally take a decision. And that decision is likely to come somewhere in the August to September timeframe, mid-August to mid-September timeframe. And if BlueBird Bio gets an approval around that time from FDA, it would mean a lot for this company because this company needs approval of these therapies for its survival. And the stock prices are likely to respond very positively if even one of the 2 therapies gets approved. However, if it so happens that neither of the therapy gets approved, then it's going to be very difficult for BlueBird Bio. Let's quickly go and have a look at the price chart as well as the balance sheet and see what is their cash position, what is their spend looking like, and then we'll conclude this video. So here we are on the financials page for BlueBird Bio, and as you can see, the cash and assets have been falling significantly coming to 2021. There's a little story behind this, which I want to quickly get across to those of you who are not familiar with BlueBird Bio and are right now playing with the volatility shown. This is a very important background. In late 2021, the company split into 2 biotechs, a gene therapy focused outfit that will retain the old BlueBird Bio name, and a new oncology focused firm that will go by 2seventy Bio. Nick Leschly, who was the earlier CEO of the combined BlueBird, would now lead 2seventy Bio, while Andrew Obenshine will lead BlueBird Bio as its CEO. And after the split, BlueBird cited a drop in its cash. That's the drop that you're seeing out here. You see the big drop from 2020 to 2021. So BlueBird raised questions about its ability to continue in business for 1 year after the date that its consolidated financial statements for the year ended December 31, 2021 are issued. And the reason they gave for that is that after the separation, they have very less cash on their books. This put immediate pressure on the share price. As of December 31, 2021, cash and cash equivalents stood at around 396.6 million, down 22% from the approximately 507.2 million BlueBird had at the time of separation. That would be in 2021, early 2021. And BlueBird said it expects a cash burn or spending of less than 400 million for this year. And here are some statements from Form 10K of BlueBird Bio that really gave concern to the market, and that explains why the share price fell so much. In the statement, BlueBird Bio says there is substantial doubt regarding our ability to continue as a going concern. We will need to raise additional financing in upcoming periods, which may not be available on acceptable terms or at all. You know the high interest environment that we are in right now. Failure to obtain necessary capital when needed may force us to delay, limit, or terminate our commercial readiness efforts, activities to support a potential commercial launch following any approval of our product candidates or other operations. So those two statements definitely caused a chill in the market. And last year, the FDA also put a hold on 2 trials of lovo-cel, then called lentiglobin, the phase 1 of 2 of HGB-206 studies that BlueBird suspended in February. The FDA lifted that hold later in June, 3 months after BlueBird said it was very unlikely that the BV305 LVV caused the case of AML. Under the new CEO, the company plans in the first quarter of 2023 to submit a BLA for its third gene therapy candidate, lovo-cel, which was formerly known as lentiglobin, the one that was put on suspension earlier. And that treatment is for sickle cell disease. That kind of summarizes the slightly difficult background for BlueBird Bio, which is causing its share price to have a kind of whiplash effect. And if you look at the share price for BlueBird Bio out here, you'll find that each of these candles are a one-day candle. Let me go to the one-day candle view. Okay, here it is. So each of these candles are a one-day candle. Today's candle is, as you can see, hitting the edge of the band within which it has been consolidating. So if on Friday we get a positive news output, or maybe on Monday we get a positive news leak or some reporting that the data review went off well, then we are most likely to jump above these two resistances, the horizontal red resistance line at 3.92 and the 50-day exponential moving average, which sits at 3.96. And if we exceed through that, already our MACD is bullish and momentum is also above average and pushing forward, then we are likely to go further. And if you see today in a sea of red for all our genomic stocks, BlueBird Bio is one of the leading stocks with a 3.32% uptick. So it seems like the market is bullish at this point of time. So you have to remember, after Friday, we could get some feedback. So Monday is going to be crucial. So if any news comes out during the weekend or Friday after close, then Monday either could see the share price go up if the news is favorable, or it could see the share price go down if the news appears to be unfavorable. So you don't want to be holding it if you feel that the price is going to go down, and you definitely want to be holding it if you feel that the price is going to go up. And some people who want to play the middle would probably put a call and block the loss of any gains they have had so far. So those are all the strategies that are available out there. But this is what BlueBird Bio is looking at. And if we were to zoom out and take a holistic look, I'm going to just take a measuring widget out here. At the peak, it was around $153. And right now, it's at around 3.73. So let me just adjust the scale out here and let you know what it says. So we are down around 97 to 98% from the peak. And we haven't been this low for BlueBird even since the IPO. Therefore, the BlueBird stock is definitely at the very, very bottom. And there is a good chance for it to go up significantly if there is a positive news. And we don't know whether the positive news is going to come on Friday after business or on Monday, or maybe it will not come until mid-August to mid-September. So those are the time ranges that I can see. And this brings me to the end of the video. I would like to state that basically this technical analysis does not guarantee 100%. These are all my personal opinions. Technical analysis is just an approximation. It gives you probabilities, but no firm guarantees. So I'd strictly caution you that when you're dealing in this kind of volatile market with these kind of risk-on shares, you have to do your own due diligence and invest very carefully. That said, if you did like this video, please put a like out there so that YouTube can help others discover our channel. If you're not yet become a subscriber, why not? It's absolutely free. Please subscribe to our channel and help us grow this community for everything related to CRISPR and stocks. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.